Surigao City to become a character-first city in Northern Mindanao. That is a dream, but we're dreaming awake. Ito say, nagdamgo na nga, nagmaka. Kumagdamgo na nga nagmatabot, pasabutan na nga, kaya na to, bumasod. Isa may walay damgo dre. Isa may nagdamgo dre, patasan ka mo! Isa may nagdamgo dre, nga tunay bayong kaumaon. Ano sa kanya? We are weak, but we are working on it. Ang inyong pag-join naman sa Yuka is a realization to attain and to achieve your dreams. You have with me? Yes, of course. Again, thank you so much for inviting me here. Pastor, Pastora, Bishop, Brother Sabon, thank you so much. And of course, Brother Stanley, thank you so much for inviting me. And may God bless us always. Together we can unite and excel in all city.
Minunod siguro